Good morning, guys. Yes, I'm alive. I'm happy because of God's grace, because of love from you all. I'm breathing, and everyone is breathing. That's a common sense. Yes, now time for some ritual. Let's have some nice monster energy. Yes, energy. Yeah. So, how about you? You had your morning tea, coffee, warm water, juice, whatever. Today let's speak about about your lower body. I've been always been criticized, not criticized, as a learning. It's like, you have your legs are not that strong as compared to your upper body. Yeah, it's nice, but being a fit human being, I feel, yes, we need to focus on your lower body, because that's 50% of your entire body mass, and that's actually builds up the strength. I'm waving to my friends, you know so let's focus on today 3 to 4 variations on the lower body exercise, which can be easily done at your place. Okay, it is not that you need to have some fill up some gallons, or pull up some what do you say, so gas cylinder or something. Nothing like that. Your own body weight is enough. That much will be there for you. And we are not some professional athletes or something. We are professionals, so we'll focus on those aspects of workouts. So first is, like, everyone will do this, our success ladder. So let's do some stretching. We'll do some stretching like that. Let's open up. Yes. Two. The first exercise which we'll do, we'll do steady squats. Look at my form. Your back should be arched, bumps out, shoulder width between your shoulder and your feet. That's much. Don't go very wide. That's another variation for specific muscles of the legs. So we are doing basics one. So 1, 2. This is the movement. Be straight. 3. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In fact, you can mix it up with some kind of jumps, to add on to your calorie burn. In fact, you can fuse it with some kind of boxing movements. I generally do it with some kind of variation. In fact, this will help you out in terms of your warm up. The basic movement is like this: up and down, breathe in, breathe out. But it can be fused in with some kind of hand movements, some kind of additional leg movements. It is only going to add on to your calorie burn. Okay, there's nothing, you need to be focused on those aspects. So this becomes our first exercise. Second. First was the stretching, then we did basic squats. Then what I'll suggest is, most of us require like, we don't move. Our only walks are between house to station, or office to auto. Those are the sedentary movements we have. So we need to have some dynamic movements, and for those dynamic movements, this leg exercise will help you out, and it will strengthen your overall body strength. You require strength in trains also. We need to fight every morning, go there. So this will help you out. In fact, yesterday's exercise will pull up. I'll wave to my friends. Yesterday's exercise will actually strengthen your arms, your grips. So we can stand at the train, we can hang out of the buses. Don't do stunts, but this kind of flexibility is going to help you out to be fit in your life. It is not just you have to show off your some muscles. No, it is the internal strength, the core strength, the willpower, and because of to commute in Mumbai is also a very difficult task. So this kind of exercise will keep you fit. The third variation will be, put your legs very close and just squat. Go down that way. It should be very close. Don't give a gap between two legs. Keep it straight. Within, without. Within, without. Within, without. Within, without. And don't bend forward in these exercises, okay? So it will not going to help you out. The pressure should come to your legs, here. It should not, that your lower body gets affected. The moment you start bending in front, your lower body will get affected and then the pressure will come there. So avoid that. So this was the third variation. First was the stretching. Second was the wide stance, squats, basic squats. Then close feet squats. Then the fourth variation can be lunges. You know how to do lunges? Keep a gap between two legs. Keep your body straight. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alternate legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this kind of, in this also now, don't try to keep your back straight. It should be it's like a arch. It should be like a back arch with your bumps out. So the entire pressure will be focused on your legs. Otherwise, the focus will get distributed. The tension will come to your lower back if you are leaning ahead. And that is not good. We need to understand, the form is right. I have problems with my form during my powerlifting. They say that there is an issue in the range. Yes, I am working on it. But the more clear the form will be, the exact muscle will be acting. Pressure will be acting on the exact muscle. So you need to be, very precise in terms of your form. Lift less weights. Don't lift weight at all for first 2 or 3 months. Just do basic free hand exercises, body weight exercises, and strengthen your inner strength. A lot of push-ups, a lot of pull-ups. That is going to help you out. And later you can add on weights, because what happens, we generally do ego workouts also. I have a tendency of doing an ego workout because I want to be the strongest. But thing is that, I'm not in that process. The muscle doesn't get affected rightly. The form is not good. Then you may go very heavy, but there is a mental satisfaction that will boost up your ego. But at the end of the day, it's not good. There can be a chances of injury. So better lift smaller, step by step, and then increase those weights. So your lower body, today we spoke about stretching. We spoke about squat 1, then squat 2, and then lunges. On this, what you can do, the last variation can be your success ladder. Success ladder, take it. This exercise is wholly for your calf. Bend it forward, get the pressure onto your calf, lift your feet. Lift your toes and stretch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the best exercise for your calves. Many people have small calves, so this is going to add on to your muscle over here. And, generally people have that Vat issue. So this kind of movements of your legs will actually increase the blood circulation into all the arteries of the veins which are flowing into your body. And once there is a good amount of blood circulation, there will be less amount of problems such as Vat or numbness and all. So you'll be the body level will be very healthy, because the blood circulation has kept on moving on, and in this process we also take out a lot of toxins through our sweat. So these are the basic exercises which anyone can do in your office, when you have spare time during your lunch, in your every morning 15 minutes. So all these things can add up to your healthy life being. Okay guys, now I have a class, online class. So see you tomorrow. If something knowledgeable I have to share, I'll make a point that I'll communicate to you through this Facebook medium, because this is the most informal medium which get registered to your subconscious, and I want a knowledge based or something which is fruitful, instead of just giving likes and dislikes and getting unhappy on your friends because he's gone there. Nothing like that. This is the only platform where I can communicate with you guys in a very good way, a very positive mindset, a very happy morning, a very positive. Okay, Chal, lots of love, one love. Boom. See you tomorrow.